That's what I'm doing.
Because you've got your phone out, you're pointing your camera towards personal cars.
Taking pictures of the fence.
What?
I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Why are you doing it?
What's it got to do with you? Do I come round to the side?
You're right, well.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Of?
The fence.
The fence? Why?
I like fences.
Like fences?
I went to the reception, she said it's fine.
Right, it's not fine, is it really?
Is it not fine?
No. Current threat levels at the moment, isn't it, for the police, and you're filming private cars?
Can you draw a step back a bit?
No, not at all. What's your name, buddy?
I'm not telling you my name.
Not tell his name? Right.
You could need to, but you just need to grow up a bit, don't you?
Really?
Yeah. Because all you're doing is just trying to antagonise people.
I'm not trying to antagonise anyone.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're still filming personal people's private cars.
I'm not filming the cars.
You sat there with I've just watched your screen. You're videoing.
I know I'm videoing.
Exactly.
But I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Yeah.
I went to reception. She said it's fine.
PC Morris bursts out with the classic panic line. You can't film a police station because of current threat levels. But here's the reality he conveniently ignores. There's not been a single successful terrorist attack on a UK police station in over a decade. And across all recorded plots since 2010, none involve someone standing outside filming from a public pavement. In fact, the Met Home Office and MPCC all admit in their own guidance that photography of police buildings is lawful and not grounds for suspicion by itself. Even more damning, millions of people walk past and film police buildings every year. Tourists, vloggers, bus passengers. Yet, magically, only auditors are treated like national security threats.
You're taking a piece of people's personal car
I'm not taking pictures of cars.
when the threat level is very high.
Even if I was taking pictures of cars,
Yeah.
is it against the law?
You can film. I'm just asking you why with the current threat level. What do you do for a living?
It's my own business.
Your child.
I'm a child.
Yeah. You're not like an adult. Then.
Do you need retraining now to deal with the public?
No.
I think you do.
Not really.
What's up with you, mate?
What?
What's up with you?
Nothing.
You got a good photo there?
Video, mate, video.
Video. You do realise that without my permission as a police officer, you cannot use that video, and I can confiscate that as well if I need to.
I don't think so.
I do.
What law is that?
That'll be the law and the pace that I'm going to find out at this moment in time.
Alright, am I being detained?
At this moment in time, you are.
For what?
Well, I'm going to get the code at this moment in time, and I'm going to search it under an act.
Alright, yeah.
And then you'll have to provide your details as well.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
No, I
do.
don't.
When you're saying you do.
No, I don't.
PC Morris has no idea what powers he actually has. First, he announces with full confidence that FTA can't use his footage without my permission, and that he can confiscate it if needed. That's not policing. That's pure make-believe. There is no law in the UK that gives a police constable ownership over footage taken in public, and you can't seize a camera unless it contains evidence of an actual offense. Then, while closing the distance on FTA, Morris suddenly declares he is detained. But when FTA asks the only question that matters, detained under what power, Morris says, I'm gonna get a code. That right there's an entire scandal in one sentence. He's already taken FTA's liberty without any legal basis, and is now waiting for his colleague to radio him a law to retrofit the detention.
Are you recording? You should inform me, shouldn't you?
It's there. Should
It's I know you got a camera, but I don't know it's on, do I? Until you inform me.
We're going to do that now. All right then. At this moment in time, you're staying under Section 23 of the Terrorist Act. Okay.
23?
Section 43 of the Terrorist
43,
Act.
right, yeah.
43 of the Terrorist Act. So basically, you're ballied up at this moment in time and you're taking personal videos of that, okay? So I'm going to ask you to remove that at this moment and give me your personal details.
Right, under section 43, I don't have to give my details.
Well, you do at this moment in time. If you fail to provide out under this search at this moment in time, I'll just arrest you, mate.
For what?
For this moment in time, for a possible terrorist act.
So you think I'm a terrorist? I'm overt. I'm not covert.
Okay.
Have you read the memo
What memo?
on people filming around police stations?
I have.
Yeah?
A bit suspicious though, isn't it, pal?
No, it's not suspicious, because I've told you exactly what I'm doing.
You know, filming fences.
Yeah?
Why?
I like fences.
Why do you like fences?
Because that's what I'm into, that's what I do in my free time.
Where's your best fence then that you've had? Show me other videos then of your best fences.
I like police fences.
Like police fences?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so that's a bit suspicious then, isn't it?
Oh, is
Right,
it?
right.
PC Morris finally gets his power through his radio and still manages to botch it. He first blurts out Section 23, which has nothing to do with terrorism and isn't even a detention power. Then when FTA tries to clarify by saying 23, Morris panic swaps to Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, exposing that he never had any real grounds in the first place. Section 43 requires an officer to have individual reasonable suspicion of terrorism. Not a man with a camera, not current threat level, and definitely not my colleague is feeding me lines through a walkie-talkie. But the fatal mistake comes when Morris starts demanding FTA's personal details, even threatening arrest if he doesn't provide them. That's not a misunderstanding. That's inventing powers he does not have. Under Section 43, police can search, but they cannot compel identification.
Okay, before I search then, you got anything that's going to harm you or me or any of my colleagues?
No.
Okay, do you want to take your hands out your pockets then for us?
Yep.
Make sure you get my good side.
Turn round.
Why's that?
Let's get your good side.
Good side's good side. Like, we got 2 phones on you?
That one's for phoning, this one's for taking pictures.
I thought you said he was videoing, not taking pictures.
Well, you can take stills of the videos, can't I?
Oh, I see. So you tried to correct me before, but you were wrong yourself, wasn't you?
I'm not wrong, am I?
Well, you was, wasn't you? Now, Jaguar key. You know what they say about people who drive Jaguars, don't you?
What's that?
They drive Jaguars. Right, balls going between your legs, do not kick out, it'll be your... Right, I just think you should leave.
Can I put my stuff back in my pockets?
What's kind of your stuff?
Yep.
Right, you got another offence now, I think you should move on.
The moment the search comes back negative, PC Morris should be relieved. That's the whole purpose of a search under Section 43. Confirm or eliminate suspicion. Once nothing is found, the officer's job is done and the tension should evaporate. But instead of calming down, Morris stays wired, still treating FTA like an active threat. So when Morris says, "I think you should leave, you've got enough of the fence," it doesn't come from safety or necessity. It comes from discomfort and pride. He can't accept that FTA is perfectly entitled to stand there and film. So, even after proving FTA isn't carrying anything, he still tries to nudge him away like he's doing damage control. A professional officer would have said, "Search complete. You're free to go," and walked off.
I walked on there.
Good, bye-bye.
Look at this fence, this is interesting. Just going to get all the fences as I walk down, is that alright?
Switch it off, mate, you don't need to.
You can't tell me to switch off.
Oh, you're right, I can't, but just switch it off instead.
And you never got me details, did you? Because you can't get me details. Under Section 43 you can't. Off you pop.
I'm just here with an update from the solicitors, who've basically confirmed that they've received a response from the defendant, which is the PC Morris, PC 16660 from Longside Police Station. They have rejected the Part 36 offer, and their stance on liability is not changed. And the only way to progress is to issue...
This letter from FTA's own solicitors is actually far more revealing than it looks. When a claimant's legal team says a defendant has rejected a Part 36 offer, that's solicitor speak for. They're denying everything, and they're about to make this a lot more expensive for themselves. Part 36 offers are designed to give the other side a chance to settle cheaply. When a police force refuses one, especially in a case where the stop, detention, and search were clearly unlawful, it usually means their legal department is posturing. So, while the force might have thought rejecting the offer made them look firm, all it really did was signal to FTA's team that they should push forward.
The professional opinion that there are reasonable prospects of success to issue court proceedings. The following reasons are: it is not a criminal offence to record a police officer or police station, and this in itself is not enough to satisfy honest and reasonable suspicion that I am a terrorist or engaging in terrorist activity. In their view, they are under no legal obligation to provide details to PC Morris. Even if a court finds that my detainment and search was lawful, PC Morris failed to provide the necessary information prior to the search. This is his name and the police station to which he is attached, which could render the lawful search.
In short, every pillar that could have held up this detention was missing. When a solicitor openly states there are reasonable prospects of success, and even hints that an otherwise lawful search could be rendered unlawful by poor procedure, you know the force is in deep trouble. And just to seal the whole story shut, FTA himself confirmed it publicly. When a viewer told him to sue the clown, He simply replied, "I did, and I've been paid out." That's the perfect ending. The solicitor laid out exactly why his claim would smash through court, and later FTA confirmed that's exactly what happened. Another case of officers bluffing with bogus powers, getting caught on camera, and ending up paying the price, literally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me continue with my independent coverage. His channel is linked in the description. Show him some love. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.